Hi there, and thanks for joining me for this flip through of our little Edith Holden inspired three-fold, nearly four-fold actually, envelope, mini journal. It's tied together here with some seam binding, and when you undo that you can see it's got this lovely little tag here in Edith, and it's got this around it, which is another little envelope with the dog roses on. Beautiful image. And that's actually holding in place this journaling card, which is Edith text and one of the relatively new Edith Holden decoupage napkins, which is an image that appears in the book. So that's very pretty, and that just is held there. And then when you open the journal itself, look at that beautiful image of foxgloves. This image, more than any possibly, is so evocative of Edith. It's just beautiful. And I've just enhanced it with a tiny little bit of just thin lace, just to pick up that edge. And then we open it up. And inside, what have we got? We've got another foxglove image. They're just so nice. Just, I just had to use it like that. And that folds out. And we've got this lovely Edith image here. And this folds out. And we've got this lovely Edith image. And we've got a little tuck spot here with this little journaling card in there. Isn't that so beautiful? And this lovely image of a buttercup with some lace down it, and that just pops into there. And this envelope folds out, and it's just got this lovely image in there. And I've added some Edith words to this. That says October. I've no idea if that's the right time of year for this. It doesn't matter. And it says black briny, which I'm equally sure it isn't, because that's a nettle. It doesn't matter, they're just words. And this went to a cornfield to gather poppies. I love that, I really do. And tucked into this pocket here, we have this image, which I've left blank on the reverse. I've inked around it and I've left it blank. So you've got a full A4 sheet of journaling there. And it just tucks into there. And this pocket has also got a full sheet of journaling tucked into it. And it's this gorgeous image. I love this image with the daffodils and the birds. It's really beautiful. Really is gorgeous. So that also tucks into its little pocket in there. Another full A4 sheet of journaling paper for you. Then on the front, got this lovely, it says warm bright day, and I hope it is where you are. And it's got this page of, oh, look at this image. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. And on the back, right away to your heart's content, it's a full A4 sheet, and it tucks nicely into there. Just to give you some extra journaling. Down the spine for this journal, there's a piece of fabric. It's cream beige colour, in keeping with the rest of the journal. And here we have the little journal itself. So that's the image on the front with the great tit, cold tit and blue tits feeding in winter. They're not finding very much by the look of it. A ledger page, coffee stained, map of the world with the mountain ranges, coffee stained page, coffee stained but with an interesting pattern, coffee stained, and this says hopes and dreams, so you can write down all your hopes and dreams here, and I hope you achieve most of them. A very good day. It says, a very good day to you too. And down here, today's date, and you can write whatever it is that you want to write about today. And we're just going back through it now, everything that you saw on the other page. The map, coffee stained, the ledger, and on the back this beautiful Edith image. So that's about that, pretty much. Folds in like that, folds over. On the back we've got the reverse of this, and it's holding in a very similar journaling card with the Edith text and this beautiful Edith napkin, which has been decoupaged over the top. So that is that little beauty. It's just gorgeous. I love it. It's so Edith. So Edith. Thanks for joining me. Bye.